Welcome back everybody, my name is Pasquale, I'm your host today, and this is a new video. In this video we're gonna dive into Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT, and we're gonna discover much more than meets the eye. In fact, Caterpillar is much known for her heavy machinery production, but there's much more than that. Before to start, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you won't lose any new video, of course if you're new. And if you like the content on this video, please leave us a thumbs up so you let the YouTube algorithm know that this video is quite nice for you and for them. So let's start. Who's Caterpillar? Well, Caterpillar is well known for heavy machinery, but there's much more than that, and I told before. It's the world leading manufacturing company of construction for mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines and diesel electric locomotives. So whether this is thrift paving, essential raw material extraction or fuel extraction to meet the global energy demand, Caterpillar offers a total solution. This company was born in 1925 and it went through several changes before to reach the actual configuration. The company presents itself as in American Fortune 100 list and is part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Well, some important data over here: market cap $97.5 billion US dollar, 102,000 employees around the world, 165 independent distributors that are worldwide present, and 28,000 suppliers. In this moment, Caterpillar serves 191 countries around the world, 53.8 billion turnover in revenue. These data are actually actualized at 2019, and a net profit of 6 billion, and also this data comes from the closing on 2019. One very important figure over here is the 58% sales are outside the US market. So it's a well diversified company, and we told before, of course, 191 countries served. So the business is quite not related to a particular market, but it is spread worldwide quite evenly. As you can see from this slide, Caterpillar owns several brands because actually it is diversified in 6 different branches. The manufacturers and self-construction on mining equipment, diesel, natural gas engine and industrial gas turbines is just a wider picture, but it is differentiated in different branches. As a segment called construction industries and offer asphalt machines, compactors, harvesters, ladder skidders, telehandlers and utility vehicles. Then they have forest excavators and wheel for this production, and track and site preparation tractor. They also have another segment called resource industry segment. They provide electric ropes, hydraulics blades, drag lines, rotary drills, hard rock vehicles, coupon tractors, mining trucks. So as you can understand, they are so wide in terms of production that they reach several different customers, and they're not related to a single market. They also have an energy and transportation segment which offer alternative motor power generations, alternative integrated centrifugal gas compressor, and also related service to this segment. They regenerate alternative engines and components related to these engines, locomotive and diesel electric components and other railway related products. Then they have a financial segment, and in segment they provide operational and financial leases for whoever is buying this machinery in installments, or they generate sales contract over there. They're working on capital loans and a wholesale financing. So also in this segment we see how they try to materialize the selling by helping the customer to buy these machines that you can imagine they are quite expensive. And they also cover in this segment insurance and risk management for what is related to the machinery. Then they have the final segment called operation segment, and they produce filters, fluids, undercarriers, ground transfer tools, fluid transfer tools, so all the pipeline and also fittings that can help also the transfer of the liquid, and precision seals, rubber sealing, connection components, distribution of parts. They have integrated logistics solution and distribution services. And this is all connected with a digital investment service. They want to interact and interconnect all their services with an internet digital investment that covers all the areas. It was formerly known as Caterpillar Tractor & Co, and it changed its name actually recently. I think it was in the 90s, calling themselves Caterpillar Incorporated. And as I said before, it was created in 1925. Financial performance. Well, in terms of financial performance, Caterpillar has quite a nice data here. We have some sales and revenue, and compared to 2018 and 2017, we saw here in terms of sales and revenue a little contraction, especially if we watch 2018, $54.7 billion, just went back for about $1 million. The operation profit is still stable, it stays around $8.3 billion. Profit per share, that it went a bit up to 10.74 compared to 10.26 in 2018. Dividend per share went up a bit, 3.28 in 2018, in 3.79 in 2019. And what I really like about this financial performance is the way the revenue is segmented among the segments. The construction industries goes to 22.6 billions of revenue generated, energy and transportation 22.1 billions US dollar, the resources industry 10.3, financial products 3.4, and all other segments which are not included in this four generate 4.6 billions US dollar. So we can understand from here that they are also well diversified, not only in terms of geographic, but also in terms of the way their segmentation creates the revenue. Let's see some productive data over here. Construction industry, they have 1.8 million active construction machines globally, which is a huge number. Resource industry, 1.8 billion metric tons moved autonomously with zero lost time injuries. Energy and transportation, more than 20 million engines built. So this means in relation also electric and diesel and all the kind of engines. And then, as we were talking before, service and distribution and digital, 1 million interconnected asset altogether. So this is another important data. So what I think about Caterpillar, at the moment the price is quite overvalued. Even I have it in my portfolio, to be honest, but I work on a DCA kind of approach. But if you want to consider this company as a buy, at the moment it's quite overvalued. But in terms of future growth, we see that the company can grow about 30% over a year in terms of earnings, and about 7 to 8% in terms of revenue. So it's a company that is steadily growing throughout the years, but at the same time is part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So it's an industrial company, is not related to fluctuation like the Nasdaq do, and can be for a long term a nice investment. Of course, as I said before, this is not a financial advisement. So if you like this video, again, please smash the like button, because we will really appreciate it, and the YouTube algorithm will appreciate much more than us. I think so. And if you're new to the channel, just please subscribe and click the notification bell so you're not gonna lose any successful video like this one. We hope this is successful, of course. Anyway, enjoy and see you next time. Bye.